let's discuss replacing the vacuum pump on this 03 Ford truck with a 6-liter diesel engine. Now, because this is a diesel engine, it's not going to have engine vacuum. It's going to need a vacuum pump such as this to operate stuff like the front axle actuators for the 4-wheel drive. Now, if there's a leak with the seals or a problem with the actuators themselves, you're going to burn out a vacuum pump. So before we replace the vacuum pump, we want to make sure we've got good power and ground going to it. We also want to make sure that there's no vacuum leaks downstream of this, and it's going to burn out our new pump. So the replacement procedure is pretty straightforward. There's one electrical connector here. I can unplug this. I can unplug the vacuum lines here, and then there's just a couple grommets here holding this in place. And we can pull them out and we'll pop the new one back in place. Now, just for illustration purposes, we've gone ahead and removed this bracket here and got the whole housing out. But you'll see how these rubber grommets get popped through there. So you can cut them off, you can pry, you can pull. You know, right now I'm just quick pulling it out. Then I'm going to use a pliers to help pull the grommets through the bracket here on the new unit. Or we could work them through by hand here. Once it's done, I'm going to bolt it up, put my one vacuum line on, plug it in, ensure the system works, and we're all done. We've just gone ahead and replaced the vacuum pump on this Ford truck with a 6-liter Powerstroke engine.